guys, I hope you had a good break. While you were taking a break, I found Christmas lights. And I was hoping this would help you understand the series circuits and the parallel circuits that we just talked about. Remember how I said I'm going to close the curtain here so that way it's dark and you guys can see the Christmas lights a little bit better. It may be a little harder to see me, but it should help you understand the circuits better. Okay. So remember how I said sometimes grandma, grandpa, mom, dad, if you had a string of Christmas lights in a series circuit, once one of those lights blows out or burns out or there's some sort of break in there, the lights after it on that chain aren't going to work. So I went and found these. I know you can't really see it in the video, but they're purple. And I'm going to show you my power source is on this side. Okay. And I'm going to remove this bulb right here. And I want you to watch what happens. Do you see how this strands of lights quit working? But guess what? Down here, these are still working. There's a break in there that's causing these to not work. So this is a series circuit. Okay. If I put it back in, they're working. If this were a parallel circuit, this one light would not affect the rest of the chain. Like the picture on page 405. If this one light were to burn out, all of these would still work. But in this, since it's a series circuit, this one light, and I'll pick a different one so that way you can see that it doesn't matter which one I use. This one light these burn out, these are still working. Okay, I hope that helps a little bit. If not, at least it was fun to play with Christmas lights. So for today, we're going to answer questions 7 and 8. And I want you to look at the picture on page 404. And question number 7, we're going to answer what are the different types of a series circuit. So series circuit, remember, is the one where if there's a break in there somewhere, if this first light bulb next to number 1 burns out, the second light bulb is not going to work, right? So let's look at 1, 2, and 3. What do we think that little piece is called next to number 1? Yeah, that's going to be the resistor. Remember our light bulb and our flashlight in our Christmas lights, those are the resistors. Now let's look at number 2. It's hard to see, but number 2 is on that coiled piece of red that looks like a line. What do you think that is? It's a wire. So in my Christmas lights, that's this part here. This is the wire. Okay. And number 3. I know it's kind of hard to tell what that is, but those are going to be 2 batteries in like a flashlight or a toy you play with. The example of my Christmas lights, these are plugged into the wall. So the electric power source from my wall is going to be my energy source. And that's what number 3 is. Number 3 is your energy source. All right, now we're going to look at number 8 on page 405. It says locate, circle the loop that is broken. And we've kind of already talked about this, so I want you to do this one on your own. I want you to circle the one that is broken. And I am going to give you a few minutes and then I'll help you out. Which one's broken? Yeah, the first one, right? I hope you circled the first one because the light's not working for that one. That's it. All right, easy peasy, right? Our homework for today is going to be questions 9 and 10. On question 9, classify. How can you classify materials as conductors or insulators? Look back on page 402 and 403 and think about what a conductor and what an insulator is. A conductor is a material that electric charge moves through very easily. And a resistor is something that, an insulator is something that it doesn't move through easily. So look on those 2 pages. Cause and effect. Explain how a switch can affect the flow of an electric current in a circuit. Think about a switch. Think about the switch on our flashlight. Or if I were to unplug this, would my Christmas lights work? Cause and effect. Think about it. You guys can do it. If you have any questions, email us, reach out to us, and we'll help you out. Bye. Have a good day.